Hello everyone. This news will shock a lot of people. So let's get started. The price of the new iPhone 14 Pro Max will be astonishingly higher. Is the most widely distributed 90 million devices will be included in the initial shipment of the iPhone 14, as well spread that Apple would be getting ready to start selling the initial batch of iPhone 14 devices in September. Mass production began in August. The news slipped that 90 million units were sold over the weekend. Ever expensive Apple iPhone mobile device, 90 million handsets are around 10% fewer than the initial batch of orders for the iPhone 14 series. The Economic Daily, however, reported today that manufacturers in the Apple supply chain had not yet received the company's notice of order cards. Additionally, the initial goal of 90 million iPhone 14s has not changed. Foxconn anticipates starting mass production of the new iPhone 14 series around the end of August. According to report, the plant in Zhengzhou is currently actively hiring, according to information already available. iPhone 14 smartphone will cost more than their forerunners. The price of the iPhone 14 Pro with 128GB will be $1,100. The starting price of the iPhone 14 Pro Max is $1,200. The price of the iPhone 14 Pro Max earlier model might reach $1,700. 1 TB of flash memory out to be installed. The insiders' projections are in line with those given by Apple Pro leak from January. Fans may spend up to $1,699 if those price tags prove to be accurate. For a 1 TB flash memory Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max, this is consistent with Apple's current price policy, which requires an additional $500. Above the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which costs $1,099, cost of people who desire a terabyte of internal storage. The $1,699 asking price would enable the creation of the 1 TB iPhone 14 Pro Max, the most costly iPhone models ever made by Apple, containing unique modification or specific third-party models. Rumor has it that Apple will upgrade the front camera to include an autofocus feature. Apple will upgrade the front camera of the iPhone 14 with an autofocus mechanism. It would greatly enhance the quality of movies and pictures. Vendor will be Cobalt and Genius. According to reports, the iPhone 14's front camera has an aperture of 1.9. The addition of a new VCM driver provided by ALPS and Luxshare is one of the major hardware changes. Adaptive refresh rate technology will be used on the larger screen of the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, as well as a switch to a 6 plastic lens designed from the current 5P lenses will be provided by Genius. It automatically modifies the refresh rate of the screen to make sure that everything runs smoothly and conserves battery power based on what is visible on the screen. According to reports, the Apple presentation will happen in the middle of September. Until the next video, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future for more updates. Take excellent care of yourself and live.